Big Tech just placed a 700 billion bet on the future, but for some of them, it's turning into a massive sinkhole. In 2026, the question is no longer what can AI do, it's where is the money, I think. Amazon and Google are spending record-shattering amounts, but their balance sheets are starting to bleed. Today I am digging into the 2026 ROI numbers to show you the one company that has actually figured out how to turn silicon into gold and why I'm buying the dip while others are panicking. Look at these numbers. Amazon is spending over 200 billion in 2026, is 56% increase from 2025. And Google has doubled their expenses, almost 98% growth. They were spending 91 billion and now it is 180 billion. If we will take a look into the Microsoft, their expenses is 140 billion, 59% increase. And Meta is 125, it's 74% increase. It's like huge numbers just per 1 year. This is an arms race where the cost of entry is now so high that it's threatening their core profit margins. Wall Street is calling it a CapEx trap. If you aren't seeing returns today, you're just digging a deeper hole. Okay, so we are at this chart where I want to show you the returns of these CapExes. I call it just show me the money, probably. Yeah. Just look into the Amazon, how much they're spending and how terrible returns are. And almost the same is for Google. Microsoft is doing better with an 13% ROI through the Azure, but look at the Meta. They are spending the least of four giants, yet they are making the most money back, about $28 billion in direct AI gains this year. While Google and Amazon are building the electricity grids for everyone else, Meta is using AI to make their own ads 20% more effective. That is a pure margin and it's happening right now. So let's try to dig in and check out how they are doing this money. Meta, they have just higher ad prices. AI makes ads so effective that businesses pay more per click because they get guaranteed sales. And the return for this is immediate. People are paying money to get effective ads. Microsoft, they have consumption fees. Every time a developer uses an AI model on Azure, Microsoft gets a toll fee. But this is a fast return as well, but it really depends how companies are doing. The companies can getting broke sometimes and so on, yeah. And most of these tolls fees are using startups. What Google is doing, they're cloud scaling. They're selling computing powers to other companies. The return here is moderate because they're building these powers as well, and you're not getting returns immediately here. And Amazon, they are creating infrastructure rental, renting out Trainium chips and server spaces. This is even slower than Google. So for me, for now at least, Meta is definitely a winner. In my opinion, in 2026, Meta is the only stock with immediate ROI. They aren't waiting for the world to change, they change their business. With a forward P in just 21, you are getting the highest AI efficiency at the lowest price in big tech for now, at least. Compare that to Amazon 40x PE with only 5% return. It's a huge difference. The math doesn't lie. Meta is the winner of the 2026 AI cycle. It doesn't mean that AI will stay the winner in 2027, but currently, when everyone is developing something with AI, they are already using it and getting huge profits. In my personal opinion, the 7 billion sinkhole will claim victims. Google and Amazon are higher risk until we see cloud revenue accelerate in H2. Meta is a clear winner for me. They generate great returns. They generate immediate returns comparing to others. And the second probably is Microsoft. And both they are now cheaper than they were because of expenses, of course. But I think it's a good opportunity to buy these two stocks. Amazon is my second biggest position. I will not be adding it for now. I don't want to risk with my money because the returns are the slowest in AI. But I still think Amazon is a great company, but it's not a buy for me now, I think. Same with Google. I have Google maybe my fourth or fifth position, and I don't think I will be buying a Google until it will go up to 250s, something like that, maybe even lower. even if I love Google company, but the returns with AI are the best for Meta and Microsoft in my opinion. Meta is definitely a winner here, Microsoft is number 2. So yeah guys, that's it. What do you think? Which company is the best to invest from these 4? My opinion, Meta, definitely Meta, and I will be buying it more. And yeah, I would love to hear your opinion. And remember, just keep growing guys.